Hi guys, welcome to Dorlin and the Twins Club. If you have not subscribed, please hit that red symbol on your screen that says subscribe and turn on the bell sign so you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Today we're making vegetable stir fry. Today we are making stir-fried vegetable with our local green, popularly known as efo in Yoruba language. This recipe is very delicious, you need to try it out. It can be served as a side with rice, beans, yam, etc. Enough of the talk, let's get into the kitchen.
First, I'm adding oil, but remember just to add a little. Add your onions and stir to avoid burning. Add your fresh fish. Add seasoning and stir. Now add your efo leaf and stir. Stir well to avoid burning. I want to prepare toast bread for the vegetable. And that's how you make your vegetable stir fry. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.